That's right, guys. It's me, James Sweeney, standing on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. And guess what? It's another freezing day here in the Big Apple. But there is some good news, and you should start warming up. You know exactly why. Because right here on the floor, it's after 4 o'clock, the markets are closed, and that can only mean one thing. That's right, grab yourself a drink because it's happy hour in the Big Apple. That's right, guys. It's been yet another strong day for U.S. stocks right here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. This due mostly in part to oil prices continuing to steady, as well as a surprising drop in jobless claims figures. Now, let's first talk about this jobless claims figure, shall we? We have jobless claims today falling by last week by 4,000 to come in at a better than expected read of 294,000. Now, these figures are important because tomorrow investors will have all of their attention on the important payrolls report for the month of December. Meanwhile, talking about prices, recently crude, we all know, has been on the downside, but today, for a second straight session, crude still rising ever so slightly to remain above $48 a barrel, and we do have gold futures inching higher, while the U.S. dollar, that continues to rise, and therefore, today, right here on the floor, we happen to have ourselves a session where for every share falling, 4 have risen on the New York Stock Exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets have shaped up to not only close out this session, but this really, really cold session as well. And lastly, on the corporate front, we have shares of Costco wholesale climbing after the wholesale retailer went on to report a better than expected increase in same-store sales last month. Family Dollar stores, however, they're on the downside after the retailer reported quarterly earnings that were short of expectations. And lastly, JCPenney. That's right, JCPenney does still exist. That was on the downside after the retailer said it would close about 40 stores next year. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. Maybe go to JCPenney because it seems like they might need some help. And I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. From the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, from ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Sweeney.